Hello, today we will solve LeetCode problem 648. In this problem, we have one dictionary in that we have set of words and also we have one sentence. So what we have to do here, we have to find all the root and then we have to replace it with the root that has the shortest length. So let's understand this problem using this example. So here we have THE. So if we start from T, we cannot find T in this whole dictionary. Then we also cannot find TH. Then we also cannot find THE. Okay, so we cannot replace it. So we will keep it as it is. Now we will move forward to the next word, kettle. So here we cannot find C, CS, CAT, but we can find CAT here. Okay, we cannot find CA, but we can find CAT, so that's why I will replace it with CAT, and that will be the smallest word here. And after that, for this word, we will stop there. Same for the words, we cannot find it. Then here we can find red in our dictionary, and in the end, we can also find bat in our dictionary. So like this, we have to solve this problem. If you go through is the constraint. So the total words and sentence can be up to 10 to the power 3, and the length of each word, the max length will be 10 to the power 3. So if we can write an algorithm in of n is quite time complexity, then we can solve this problem. Okay, so now I will write an algorithm that can solve this problem in of n is quite time complexity. So for that, first of all, we will convert our dictionary into a hash map so that we can get the desired word in of one time complexity. Yes, and for that, lections import counters. Okay, then here we have one dictionary is equal to counter of dictionary. Okay, and here now we'll create one answer list that we have to return sentence dot split. After that, we will run one for loop for I in range of len of answer. And we will look through each and every word in our sentence. So for that, we have to create a running string, and then we'll go through the whole word in our sentence. So for character in word, that means answer of 5, we will first of all add this running character into C, and then we'll look through this new word in our dictionary. If RS in B, then we'll change our ith word with the current string, and we will stop it here. And in the end, we can simply return the updated answer list dot join answer. Okay, I will run it. Okay, so it is working. And so basically here, first thing why we are converting this string into split in list, because we cannot manipulate or we cannot assign a new a sentence or new word to a string. We cannot change it, so that's why we have to convert it into list. After that, we will run through each and every word in our sentence, and then we will check it out if the lowest word in that particular word is, if it is in dictionary or not. If it is there, then we will stop it, and in the end we will just return the updated answer list. I will submit it. Yes, it is working. We are not getting any error. So like this, we can solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video.